Prop firm trading. What is it? How do I get started? How does it all actually work? All right, step one, it's very simple. You need to find the account that is right for you. So go onto any prop firm website and you can check through. Usually they will all offer a one-step, a two-step, an instant funding, something like that. Now you need to determine how much money are you willing to lose before you lose access to the account? Do you want to become instantly funded where you don't have to go through the first or second step evaluations, but you might have to pay a little bit more? Or do you want to pay a little bit less, but it might take you another week or 2 weeks to pass those first challenges before you get access to the actual amount of capital you're paying for? Once you determine what account's right for you, and it comes down to 3 major things: the overall drawdown, the daily drawdown, and the take profit. Now, if you're on instant funding, you don't need to worry about the take profit. The only 2 major things you need to determine during this first step is your daily drawdown and your overall drawdown. How much money are you willing to lose overall for what your strategy is before you lose access to the account? And how much money are you okay trading or being able to lose within a day before you have to call it quits? When it comes to account size, we all start in different areas. You might have a little bit more money to spend on buying your first account, so you might buy a bigger one. Or you might be a little bit tighter on your money and you can only buy 1 or 2 smaller accounts. At the end of the day, you're here playing a long game. No day trader ever found millions of dollars in the first 60 days. Point being is, regardless of if you're starting big or starting small, it is about getting multiple payouts and scaling the number of accounts you're trading with over and over and over again. So as I said in step 1, look through the different accounts. At Next Level Funding, you've got the 1-step, the 2-step, the instant. Once you find which account suits your trading style the best, that's when you go on to step 3. Trade your strategy while respecting the rules. Like all prop firms, you're paying for access to capital. But with that access also comes rules you must follow. So understand the rules of the firm you're trading with, and then make sure you're implementing your strategy coinciding with their rules, and you'll be just fine. Step 4, pass your evaluation phases, or if you are on instant funding, hit your profit metrics and go and request a payout. And the final step, once you've got that first payout, reinvest it back into more accounts, and then before you know it, you'll be trading hundreds of thousands of dollars of funded capital across multiple accounts that you can then be requesting payouts from every single week. And that is how you see these guys that are so young finding so much success so quickly within the trading space. So pick the account right for you, trade it correctly, go for the payouts, reinvest, and repeat the process. Before you know it, you will be one of those traders making thousands of dollars every single month through these prop firms.